combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hello YouTube, it is Farmhand Mike bringing you another 2021 wheat harvest video. This one coming to you near the town of Roosevelt, Oklahoma. On my recent trip down to Texas and Oklahoma, I was out here with Miller Family Farms as they were planting cotton. If you've not seen this video here, I'll put the link to it at the end of this video. But just as I was wrapping up with these guys, 3 combines come down the road, a tractor and grain cart, and pulled right into the field next to where these guys were planting cotton. So I went down there, talked to them, and got you one of these bonus videos of wheat harvest that I was not expecting to get. In this video, I am out in the field with Sykora Harvesting and Trucking, LLC, out of Beardsley, Minnesota. They are down here in Oklahoma kicking off the 2021 custom wheat harvest, starting here and moving north as the wheat ripens. In this video, they are running 3 machines. You're going to see their John Deere S770 combine with a Deere 735 FD head. Also going to see a John Deere S670 with a Deere 635D head, and another S670 combine with a MacDon FD135 Flex Draper head. Also in the video is their John Deere 8320R tractor pulling a J&M 1151 Grainstorm grain cart. If you've seen some of my other wheat harvest videos from down in this area, you know these custom harvesters have had a tough go. They've been getting a lot of rain down here. It hasn't been exactly perfectly sunny, and the wheat is just right there on the moisture where it's almost not fit to cut. In fact, when I was up here just getting finished up, I drove back to Texas where I was staying down in Vernon, Texas, and they got 3 more inches of rain down there that night. I have just a little over 20 minutes of total video here with mostly drone footage of these guys, a few on the ground shots, but anyways, got a beautiful background with the Wichita Mountains back there, and let's watch these 3 machines in action. It's a pretty hot and dry climate down here in Oklahoma. This is mostly dry land farming, and the 2 major crops down here are cotton and wheat. Now when this wheat comes off, there is cotton planting going on at the same time, but it is my understanding if you double crop, you cannot get crop insured on that double crop. In my last video where they were planting cotton, I talked to the farmer. He said they have tried some double cropping cotton into harvested wheat stubble, and sometimes it has done really good, even better than their regular dryland cotton. However, no insurance, you're on your own, and there's just no guarantee you're going to get enough rain to make it happen. And as I've talked about in other videos, this is also cattle country. So a lot of the winter wheat down here has cattle on it in the winter where the cattle are grazing off the green wheat. And then about March, when it looks like the crop's coming on, they'll pull the cattle off and let it mature into a grain crop. So a lot of this ground will be continuous wheat. So it's not uncommon when this wheat is harvested to see guys come in here with discs, chisel plows, field cultivators, moldboard plows, whatever, and they'll work this stubble in. If there's any disease, since it's continuous crop, they'll get that stubble buried, and then come September, they'll go back here and drill wheat and let that wheat grow, and then once it gets up to a good stand in the fall, they'll put cattle on it and do it all over again. That's going to do it for this video. This is my last wheat harvest video for my trip down here to Texas and Oklahoma. I do have 2 more short videos I'll be posting from this trip as well, not pertaining to wheat harvest, but don't worry, I'm going to be posting several wheat harvest videos throughout the summer as the wheat ripens to the north. Anyways, if you like this video, feel free to hit that like button and comment below. If you're new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Remember, you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting my social media.